Hello, YouTubers. Thought I would share with you a great resource if you are looking for something to help you learn and study more about cloud computing or other technical subjects in technology behind the curtain. All right, here is Webopedia. Webopedia. And I went to terms, cloudcomputing.html, and the reason I did that was because this is a good source for the first part of the objectives for the exam. So in the first part of the objectives, it says understand common terms and definitions of cloud computing and provide examples. Well, this, oops, now I lost it. That's okay. We'll do that section again. Also, I'm nervous. Sorry about that, but I'm just gonna have to get over it and keep going. So anyways, this is some cloud computing terminology and explanations. Now, as usual, it's in teeny tiny font, and I'm already at 100%. So raise this up a bit. Hey, what happened? No, not 250. Oh, 200%. Oh my goodness, this is 200%. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyways, so cloud computing checklist. And when you start doing your research and so forth, this is really how it goes. You start to look something up, or you start to study something, and then you're just bombarded with a ton of information. It takes a lot of discipline when it comes to studying, and sometimes I don't have as much discipline. I'm so interested in just reading everything. So I'm gonna have to leave that on there like that because it needs to be seen on the screen so I can make sure you can see it. All right, here. All right, that is at 250%. Wow, zoom level. Okay, so anyways, this information from Webopedia is a great resource to look up all kinds of technical information. This one happens to be terms in the cloud computing area. Let me go up here. There we go. And oops, no. It's the other thing, I can't see the teeny tiny. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I go through this all the time with websites. See, I can't even get over there. It won't let me go all the way over. And that's what I don't like about website design anymore. There is no reason I should not be able to go all the way over to the end, and the scroll bar does not go there. So I'm forced to turn this down in order to go over here, which makes the font smaller. And I do not approve of that in website design. I don't. That's not right. I shouldn't have to do that. I should be able to turn it up and I should be able to move my scroll bar over, but the website design of today does not allow proper user friendliness. So anyways, if you go to Webopedia and you're able to see the screen, you can get a lot of information. Now I use Text Aloud. Okay, Text Aloud is a piece of software that reads the screen, and I like using Text Aloud. I can use it in, I have the extension, come on, I have the oh, hello, fine, that's not what I wanted. Okay, alright, so I have the extension where I can use it inside of Chrome. See if it'll come up. Takes a couple minutes sometimes.
Cloud computing is a type of computing that relies on shared computing resources rather than having local servers or personal devices to handle applications. In its most simple description, cloud computing is taking services, cloud services, and moving them outside an organization's firewall. Applications, storage, and other services are accessed via the web. The services are delivered and used over the internet and are paid for by the cloud customer on an as-needed or pay-per-use business model.
I turned her up a little bit so she could talk a little faster. But that's what I do. I use that a lot in order to do this type of reading because it's so hard to focus on it, because the font is extremely light and very small. You know, that's very, very light gray font, which is not user-friendly at all when it comes to wanting people to read it. My mouse is messing up here. So, but if you can get past that type of problem and you can handle that in your environment in such a way that works for you, then this is a great place to look for all kinds of terms and other references and study guides, all kinds of stuff that is not reference to computer and technology in general. I mean, we're cryptocurrency, ITIL certification, certified information systems auditor, Amazon Prime Day, all kinds of computer and technology related information is right here. So this is a great resource as long as you can get through those problems. Okay, there you go. Have fun.